Hello, if you're wondering whether you can download apps and games on the Redmi Watch 6 like the YouTube app, Spotify app, or install games into your Redmi Watch 6, then take a look. Now, on the Redmi Watch 6 over here, if you go over to the app section, you're going to find out that we do have a lot of applications over here, but the Redmi Watch 6 does not have a specific app store for us to be able to download apps and games. And then if you go over to the Mi Fitness application, which is actually the official application for the Redmi Watch 6, and then come over to the devices tab, you're going to see that we do have the app section, but over here what we only have are applications that are already pre-installed into the Redmi Watch 6. So you do not have extra applications for you to be able to download and install directly from here, and then it is just going to enter your Redmi Watch 6. I strongly believe that over time, Redmi is going to add more applications over here for you to be able to download and install them into your Redmi Watch 6. But for now, the answer is no. You cannot download and install apps or games into your Redmi Watch 6. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.